Welcome back to the countdown of the ugliest cycling jerseys of 2025. We've already seen some proper fashion felonies, but we're not done yet. I do believe designers should be bold and push the boundaries, but preferably not like this. Let's crack on. Nalini, you will always have a place in our hearts for the Carrera jeans kit. But this, the E-jersey, it's like being stabbed in the eyeballs with a glow stick. Lime green shapes hovering near the collarbone. Is it a necktie? A radioactive butterfly? No idea. I feel like the jersey is trying to hypnotize me into buying it. Spoiler, it's not working. And now, grab your sick bag, cause it's about to get bumpy. Let's face the podium of style disaster. Bikeinside serving up this cheap Versace knockoff. We all love a bit Italian golden glitter, but what's the right time to wear this? You wanna look like you're on your way to a fetish ball and a group ride at the same time. This is your moment. These two brands have clearly teamed up for an attack on common decency. Love the Pain drops a Lego pattern monstrosity in all your favorite primary colors. Oh, and you can get matching bottoms too, because nothing says aero games like dressing up as a 5-year-old's birthday cake. The Danes at Paranormal Studios, not to be outdone, brings in quilting again. Quilting is the new plague of 2025. Stop trying to make quilting happen. You're not my granny and this isn't a tea cozy. It's a cycling jersey stick together from leftover curtains from the 90s. Say it with me. No more quilts. First place. Wait, not yet. We've got what I call a 1.5 place awarded to CAFÉ du CYCLISTE. Two confused campers inside a farmer's market deciding whether to buy sausages or cereals. That's the warm welcome you get at the CAFÉ du CYCLISTE web store. Are they cyclists? Are they some misplaced AI characters? Scroll the web shop and it's just a parade of fugly. Jerseys inspired by granddad curtains, molded pyjamas, rotting wallpapers. And then comes the sailor boy. Sheer jersey, straps on show, orange zip up front and mosquito netting in the back. I need answers. And now, the moment you've all been gagging for, the actual first place. Alright folks, it's time for the worst of the worst. And it's not just one brand, it's a repulsive Bolero inspired hat trick. Welcome to the Bolero Wars, cycling's most confusing trend since arm warmers in summer. Slopline created a jersey that's basically a crop top for shoulder blades. Pair it with black bibs and suddenly you'll look like you are wading through a flood. Congratulations, your torso has vanished. OZIO took the Bolero concept and said, what if it also looked like a sports bra? Add a solid block of white across the chest and you've got yourself a male midlife crisis in textile form. And finally, VELOCIO. You've truly outdone yourself. For just 180 euros, you too can own this mustard yellow woolen disaster. A Bolero style torso-less cut with a zip that dramatically splits the belly in two, as if trying to escape the rest of the jersey. It's got strong sock puppet with an identity crisis vibe. I say burn it, bury it, do anything but wear it. And to the model in the pic, nothing personal, you're lovely. And to the poor sods who designed this, better luck next year. Alright, I'm done. Off to grab a cold Coke and a travel sickness tablet. If you know of more ugly jerseys, please drop it in the comments. I'm always accepting new horrors. Now stay safe, stay spicy, and for the love of cycling, stay stylish.